Hey guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, today's video is gonna be a skincare video, and that's why I'm not putting any makeup on my face. So as you know that guys, Pilgrim have already launched a huge serum collection for both skincare and hair care, and from the skincare category I have received this Pilgrim Secret of Jeju Island Retinol and Hyaluronic Acid Lift and Firm Serum with pomegranate extract. And guys, I have been using this serum for past 3 weeks, and with the serum I have also received this volcanic lava as face wash and this White Lotus Day Cream SPF 50, and I have been following this Pilgrim skincare regime for past 3 weeks. And in this video I'm going to talk about the details of the serum and also gonna show you my Pilgrim skincare regime. But before moving on to the video, make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that all notification bell so that you can get notified all the time whenever I upload a new video. Now without further ado, let's jump into the video. So that's how the cardboard packaging looks like, and here they have mentioned all the details. It retails for 650 rupees and you're gonna get 30 ml of product. Here they have mentioned the ingredient list, and the key ingredients are retinol, hyaluronic acid and pomegranate extract. Hyaluronic acid provides hydration, where retinol has anti-aging property and fight against wrinkles and fine lines. The pomegranate extract maintains the elasticity of the skin cells. And guys, this is paraben free, sulfate free, cruelty free and 100% vegan product. The serum comes in this type of a frosted amber glass bottle, and it has this kind of dropper applicator, and the serum is actually transparent in color and foggy in texture. For my daily skincare, I used to start with the cleanser, and for that I used Pilgrim Volcanic Lava as face wash with Yudugu and White Lotus, and it comes in a bottle format, and that's how the product looks like. It's a very good face wash guys. It lathers very well and makes your skin clean and hydrated. After cleansing, I use this Pilgrim Lift and Firm Serum. It's a little thick in consistency, and I use 2 to 3 drops and prefer to apply the serum in dabbing motion. It helps to absorb the serum more into the skin. Wait for a while and the serum will get absorbed completely. In the daytime, I used to apply the White Lotus Day Cream on the top of the serum, and guys, that is how the product looks like. It's a non-sticky moisturizer and absorbed into the skin very fast. But in the night time, I used Pilgrim Red Wine Night Gel Cream on the top of the serum. And guys, this is one of another retinol product, and this is one of the product I really like from Pilgrim brand. So basically it's an anti-aging serum. It has retinol, and retinol fight against wrinkles and fine lines. So it has actives, and I prefer to use actives at night rather than in the morning because it works faster at night. And I use this serum every 2 alternative day in a week, and if you are a beginner, use it twice in a week, not more than that. Once your skin gets habituated with the actives, then you can gradually increase the uses, and it may cause us little peel out or breakout or something like that initially, but don't worry about that. It is the indication that that actives works on your skin. And yeah, that's it for this serum. It's a good serum guys, you can try this out. And yeah, that's it for this review. I hope this review was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.